butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner, yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down.
Melt 1 tablespoon in a skillet over medium heat and brown chicken pieces.
The superstar glows up. A side step right left to my beat.
Melt another spoon of butter, add onion and cook over low heat until soft, about 5 to 6 minutes.
Don't need no usher to remind me you got it bad. Ain't no other.
Add ginger garlic paste, garam masala, chili powder and cumin powder. Stir to combine with onion. Add tomato sauce, stir to combine. Cook for 5 minutes, then add cooking cream and yogurt. Add the brown chicken and let simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Season to taste with salt and pepper. If you want, you can add a little more cooking cream in the end.
Let's go.